Assalamualaikum. Check sound. What's up, the people of the world? Hello, everyone. How's your day? Hopefully, you have a great day. Welcome back to Nada FM channel, a place where every day there is fun and joy. In this video, I am going to talk about the most interesting topic this semester from my perspective point of view. Before I start discussing this topic, I will introduce myself first. Because there is a statement in Indonesian which states that if you don't know me, maybe you will not understand me well. Okay, my name is Hatrunada Virus Mudia. My study number is 10, 12, 10, 16, and 5. And I am a student at Islamic Family Law Department IAIN Ponorogo. This video is made to fulfill the UAS or Final Exam English Course 2. The lecturer in this course is Mr. Aal Indrajati. Then, let me go straight to the main point of this video. Let's talk about the most interesting topic this semester. In my perspective point of view, the most interesting topic in this semester is Islamic perspective of terrorism. Why Islamic perspective of terrorism? In my opinion, Islamic perspective of terrorism is very interesting to discuss at this time. Islam is often identified with terrorists. Islam is also known as the religion of terrorism. Ordinary people think that in Islam rooted terror, but the truth is that these terrorists are doing it in the name of Islam and in the name of jihad. The truth is that terrorists is not part of Islam. They only individuals who act in the name of Islam. Islam has never taught terrorism, which only causes damage and chaos. So, what is terrorism? According to Law Number 15 of 2003, the definition of a criminal act of terrorism is any act of someone who intentionally uses violence or threats. This violence creates an atmosphere of terror or fear for the public at large. It can also be referred to as an act of others as well as destroying public facilities and causing fatalities. Terrorism is divided to several types. 1. Irrational terrorism with a purpose can be said to be unreasonable. 2. Criminal terrorism. This type of terror is armed at the interests of certain religious group or beliefs. 3. Political terrorism. Terror is with political motive. And 4. State terrorism is violence against full citizen. According to Nasution, there are various forms of acts of terrorism, such as bombing, piracy, murder, kidnapping, arson, robbery, and others. In Indonesia, criminal acts of terrorism have been regulated in Law Number 5 of 2018 in Article 16, which states that criminal offenders for a minimum of 5 years and a maximum 20 years are sentenced to life imprisonment or the death penalty. The state of Indonesia provides arguments related to eradicating terrorist cases in international network. The first is that the government needs to provide positive educate on social media. The second, the world is forming a just movement aimed at encouraging more moderate or modern action. Lastly, women as mother must be empowered because they will play a key role later in educating children. In Islam, terrorism that uses violence and causes is contrary to Islamic teachings. The Quran forbids violence, murder, and mischief on earth. In the Quran, Al-Ma'idah verse 32. Violence or terror in the name of jihad is a misinterpretation of from Islamic teachings. So, it is necessary to increase understanding of religion and need to be improved understanding of religion in order to avoid pre-camel understanding, so that adherents of religion do not fall into opposite action with religion, even harming the image religion. It is possible that there are Muslims who go astray so that they can commit acts of terrorism because they do not learn to understand and apply the complete teaching of Islam in accordance with the teaching of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Last but not least, let me talk about my expectation after completing this course. My expectation after completing this English 2 is I can understand the material provided as well as experience how to speak English well and apply it according to action in several countries and communicate more actively using English. Before ending this video, there is a wise quote from Chan EXO. Nothing is perfect. It's all about what your personality and heart are like. You're beautiful. And don't let people tell you what you're not. That's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.